Wow. So beautiful, and it's right here by where we live. Right here in Hot Springs
we got time
Village.
to go to Lookout Mountain.
Oh, I wish I could get you up to the other end so you can see. Let me hurry. I want you to see the other side. It's got some gorgeous waterfalls. Let me hurry. Run. Going to see the waterfall. We're going to see the waterfall. Here we come, and we're almost there now. Look at it. Ah, beautiful. Oh, right here, Hot Springs Village, Arkansas. This is gorgeous. Oh, look up there. Oh yeah, look up there. Oh my, beautiful. Right here where we live. Wow.